recording.
At the end of a hard day, I like to have a nice, hot, steaming mug of cake. Microwave cakes are really easy to make and can be just as tasty and creative as regular cakes. Today, we are going to make a Snickerdoodle cupcake. Let's get started. In a small bowl, and I like to use one with a spout, we're going to whisk together a 1/4 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, that's a 1/2 teaspoon, that would have been bad. And a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now we're going to add the wet ingredients, which is a 1/4 cup of milk at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of butter melted and then cooled, and a 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Now that we have our wet mix made, we're going to layer it in a microwave safe mug with a layer of the mix and a layer of a cinnamon sugar mix. Almost done, just scraping the last of the batter out of the bowl. And then I'll put a tiny bit of sugar just on top. Make sure it all has a nice coating. And then into the microwave it goes. Microwave for 1 to 1.5 minutes. I like 1 minute. It's really a preference of how gooey you like your cake in the end. Now we've let it sit for 1 minute to cool after microwaving, so now they're all ready to eat. So you can eat them just plain like this. You can add whipped topping or caramel and sprinkle some more sugar on top if you want it a little bit sweeter. Whatever your choice, but it's ready to enjoy.